Okay, hello, it's Dr. Alan Yim. I am going to now show you how to conduct and count this. So here we have a pattern in 4/4, and remember to conduct this, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am your mirror, so this is your right arm going down in towards your body, out, away, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we have quarter notes and half notes, and then down here at the end we have a whole note. You may not be able to see this little dot, but it's there. This is a dotted quarter note. So remember that the dotted quarter note is 2 beats plus half of it, which is 1 beat, a quarter note. We are counting quarter notes. You can see this in the 4 on the bottom here. So this is 4 quarter notes per measure. So these bar lines are dividing the time into measure, and in between each measure there are 4 beats. So 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here you can see, of course, 2 half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how the beats work. And down here, this is 3, a half note plus a quarter note. So there are many systems for counting these rhythms. I'll give you 2. So the first one we're going to use is counting the numbers. Now, if I were to do this on the piano, I could just count a steady 1, 2, 3, 4 and actually play the rhythm while I'm counting. But we're going to be saying the rhythm. So every time I have a note, I'm going to say the count that it falls on. And to keep track of this, I'm going to conduct while I am keeping track of the notes. So this sounds a little bit complicated, and maybe at first it will be complicated because you have to keep the conducting going steadily. But after you practice it for a while, I think it will become more automatic. So let's try this. I'm going to count the numbers first while conducting a pattern of 4. So first conduct with me. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, down, in, out, and up. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 1, off. So you notice this thing here lasts 4 beats, so you have to sustain whether you're saying it or playing it on an instrument. So it goes all the way to the next downbeat, unless there's some other kind of marking that tells you to cut it short. But for now, you would sustain that for 4 beats. All right, now we're going to try the Kodai method. So that is, for every quarter note, we are going to say ta. For the half notes, we'll say TOH-AH, and if it gets longer, we'll just say TOH-AH or TOH-AH. Okay, you can just sustain the ah. Notice every time we have a t sound, a T sound, that is the beginning of a new note. Okay, so let's try this. 1, 2, ready, count. Ta, 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 TOH-AH, TOH-AH, ta, TOH-AH, ta, 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 TOH-AH, ta, ta, TOH-AH, TOH-AH, ta, TOH-AH, off. Okay, I'll leave this to you to practice, and with practice, I'm sure this will become easy. Happy practicing.